What's up guys? Once again, welcome to another video of the Subaru Guru channel. Today we're gonna install the reverse tail light overlaced. We got the smoke color, not too dark, and we're gonna go ahead and install these right now. Alright guys, so we finished installing the overlays on the reverse tail light. I'm just going to show you guys how it came out. So there you have it guys. This was just another video of do-it-yourself modifications and installations that you can do to your car. Previously we've installed the vinyls for the emblems on the Subaru, as well as the eyelids, the fog light, and the vortex generators I believe. But we are still yet to install more things on the Subaru. We got the wing decals that I'm going to be doing soon. Stay tuned for that video. And also, we got a new shift knob and I can't wait to show you guys. I'll probably do that on the same video.